What is up everybody, welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having a great day. And before starting today's video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turn on to our channel cause we post content like this. So to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can go live on TikTok without 1k followers. So it's pretty simple to go live on TikTok, but due to the recent update, you require 1k followers to go live on TikTok. If you don't have 1,000 followers and you still want to go live on TikTok, then by following this method, you can go live on TikTok. So yeah, so going live on TikTok is basically like when you press on this plus button over here, your screen opens up, like your recording screen opens up. Let me show you guys. So yeah, and if you have like more than 1,000 followers, then a live button should be shown over here right at this part of the screen. But since I don't have 1,000 followers, I do not have a live button over here. So let's follow this step so the live button can be shown over here. So for this, go on me over here, and on me click on the three dot at the top, and then scroll down until you see report a problem over here and click on report a problem. And on report a problem, scroll down until you see live payment and reward, which is right over here. Click on it and then click on hosting live and click on I can start a live. Now click on no, because we can't start a live. And now we have to click on still have a problem. Now here we are going to write a report to TikTok, and the report is going to be seen by TikTok staff and they'll try to fix the problem for their point of view, and our live button will be unlocked. So yeah, these are the method you need to follow, because you cannot unlock the live button from an external app or website. If there are other apps and website which is saying that we can make you go live on TikTok without 1k followers, then they are trying to steal your account and probably do shady stuff with your account. So please don't do that. Just do these steps. Now I'm gonna write a report over here. So you can write this report over here. I used to go live on the past and my fans really want me to go live, but I can't, so please help. Thank you. So you can write this report and click on report over here. And now this report is sent to TikTok staff. This report has been sent to TikTok staff. Now wait for 2 or 3 days. Your live button should be available and you should be able to go live. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And comment down if you have any questions related to this video. We'll try to answer in the comment. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.